Did you know? Now, you can put your own face into any movie scenes or image and make it look real. Yes, you heard me right. Hello and welcome to channel. You know that AI tool named Higgsfield? Yes, the one that is going viral everywhere for image and video generation. Well, guess what? They have released a brand new feature called Face Swap. Apparently, it's so realistic that people are calling it Hollywood level deepfake technology. And you know me, if something gains that kind of power, we have to test it ourselves. And that's exactly what we are going to do today. Test the face swap feature that Higgsfield recently released. So to begin, head over to Google and search for Higgsfield AI, the one you can see over here, and click on the first link that we get. And on the right, you can see login or sign up. If you have not created an account, please sign up and test this out. If you already have an account, just use login. So let me log in. So I'm over here, and once you are in the platform, you can see the face swap over here. Just click on that. It opens up higgsfield.ai/app/face swap. And as we can see, we have to upload our image over here and the target image over here. Okay, and the face swap will happen for free. So let's begin the test. So I'm going to add my image, and let me add this particular image. So let me face swap. You will get 2 free credits. We are on the paid plan, so we have more credits to test it out. So you can see it is in queue right now. So while that's happening, you can see here how to face swap any image in 3 steps, right? Upload your source face, which is our own image. Upload your target image, okay, which is what you want to look like, okay, some celebrity or anybody's image that you want to swap with your face. And then you get the generate desired image, right? So you get that. And as they show, consistency across all styles, right? Our AI face swap tool is engineered for consistency. Generate anything from photorealistic portraits and artistic styles to animate and digital art, while perfectly preserving the source face. Okay, so let's see, it's in progress right now. Let me quickly show you what is the image that I've uploaded. This is my image, of course the AI generated one. And this was the celebrity image, right? Celebrating some award. Okay, so it's in progress. And in a moment, the image should be ready. Let's see the expression in detail, right? You can see here. So when the image gets generated, we should be able to see the expression. And there you go, right? So I'm going to download this and I'm going to show you the image. You can see that the face swapped and rest everything remains exactly the same. I think it's a great job done, right? Let's give it one more try. So I'm going to remove this one. So I'm going to the next image and let's give this one a try. Okay, I'm clicking on face swap and I'm going to show you this image, the rock. Okay, let's see what it will generate for me. So it's in queue right now. While this is happening, let me go and search for some other images. Okay, let me search for actors image. And let's search for actors images. Maybe let's give this one a try. So I'm going to save image and let's give this one a try. Save image as save. Like I mentioned, the better the quality of the image, the better will be the output. And there you go. Right? So this is crazy. Yeah. Let me open this up and you can see there is some marks here. Okay, and the output image also has that. Okay, with this particular face. Oh, I also had it. There you see, the face looks similar to this one, but with this structure body, right? Let's give it one more try, and I'm going to upload the image that we just downloaded. Let's say this one. Okay, face swap. Of course, it's going to queue, and there you go. How is it looking, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so let me download this as well. So not just generating images, we can upscale it. Okay, we can also animate it, right? And we can do some other edits as well. Let me give it one more try. And this time it's going to be Arnold from Commando movie. Okay, and we can check some animations with this particular image. Let's see what it does. As you can see, this is a movie scene, right? And let's see how would I look like in a movie scene like this. In progress, and there you go, guys. Oh, great. Not bad. What do you guys think? Let me show you. This is how I would look like if I were to shoot this movie. Woohoo. Okay. Now let's go to Animate and let's ask it to. So the prompt is going to be something like this. Okay, I'm going to show you. Create a short cinematic action video inspired by 1980s Hollywood war films. A muscular soldier wearing tactical gear stands in a dusty battlefield holding a 4-barrel rocket launcher on his shoulder. His face is smeared with camouflage paint. His expression is determined and intense. Behind him, explosions and fire rise from a destroyed vehicle with smoke billowing into the sky. Okay, so we have added some more dramatic things here. Okay, so let's try with Minimax, and then we will also check out Higgsfield. Okay, duration, let's make it 10 seconds. Okay, resolution, we can change it to 512, 768 or 1080. Let's go with 1080. Let's go with 768. Okay, and let's generate this. Of course, as you can see, it requires 11 credits. It's in queue right now. Let's see what happens. And if you can, if you want to end the frame, okay, you could add that one too. This one takes a bit of time because, of course, it's in queue right now, and then it has to generate, right? So it's in progress already, which is great. Maybe it makes some sense if they can show like how much percentage in progress or something like that. I'm not sure what's the tech behind and how it works, but that would have made it easier for us to understand where we are in this progress. Anyways, just a few moments. So the video is running. Let's play this and see what it has generated. Oh ho. Okay, let's go back to our image generation process. So again, I'm going to face swap, and this time let me upload my original image from a recent trip, and I'm going to upload this one. Let's see what it does. Captain Jack Sparrow, right? So it's already in progress, and there you go. So it has got the image, okay, and rest of the hairstyles and everything with the image that we have uploaded. So this is how I would look like in this particular character as per Higgsfield. Amazing. Okay, I'm going to try one last image, and that's going to be the Baahubali. How many of you have already watched the Baahubali epic? Share in the comments below. So this is the character. and I've already uploaded my image, okay, which is this one. And let's see what it does. In queue, in progress, and there you go. So okay, let me open this up. You can see I have some white beard here, okay, and that is consistently added in the image. You can see it over here. Okay, so now let's go to Animate, and I'm going to add some prompt, okay, which is like create a 10 seconds epic cinematic video of a powerful ancient warrior standing tall on a battlefield under a stormy sky. The warrior wears ornate bronze armor with a glowing sun emblem and a majestic crown-like helmet. Okay, so we've added some more dramatic details, right? And this time we are going to use Higgsfield. Okay, and let's use Higgsfield Turbo. Okay, so again, let me show you. So we have option of Higgsfield Light, basic speed, standard queue, okay, Higgsfield standard, faster speed, priority queue, and Higgsfield Turbo, 2x speed, priority queue. All of this is 720p and 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, so I've used Turbo. Let's see what happens. And this requires 7 credits, by the way. So we have some controls here, as we can see. You can make it as 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Max is 5 seconds in this particular model. And seed could be random. And steps, as you can see, better quality takes more steps and costs more. Okay, so let's generate this. Of course, this is high speed as we saw here, and will be immediately processed. Not too much time in queue. Let's see. By the way, last time we used a different model, and this time we are using Higgsfield Turbo. Okay, and it's already in progress. Let's wait for a few seconds. So the video is ready. Let's see what it has generated. You can see that it has kept the character consistent, right? Looks great, I would say. Again, guys, please keep in mind the image quality matters a lot, right? So when you upload the image, that matters a lot. If you give greater quality image, then it can generate better output as well. Okay, so we can rerun this if we are not satisfied with what got generated. And if you click on this one, you can see what is the duration, what is the seed, what is the model, and what are the steps involved in this particular video generation process. So yeah, that's the new face swap feature from Higgsfield. Compared to some of the other platforms like Nano Banana and stuff like that, I think Higgsfield is doing a great job. What do you think? As we saw, the attention to detail in the image that is getting generated is very high, right? In the last example that we saw, the beard, okay, with that white hairs was kept consistent across character, and that's amazing, isn't it? I am impressed. What about you? Go and give it a try. The link is added in the description below, and let me know what did you try and what was your output. You can even send your results on Instagram. I've shared my profile link too. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.